Wait. No. Oh. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel, AnchorDownHomestead.
I hope that you guys have enjoyed looking at our past and seeing how we got here. On our last episode we left off showing you the start of raising our meat birds. It was really hard work, but we learned a lot and we made it through that season.
Barely. If you guys have any questions on the meat birds or the process that we did, please leave comments and we'll get back to you and answer anything knowledge related to
that we can pass on that we learned raising that many birds. But we hope you enjoy this last episode of catching you up to current day, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. What's that? Oh yeah. That's why I think we'll just take the buckets in there or something.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's stopping it.
So today we're moving the big group of chicks out to the pasture today, so it's an exciting day for them.
That's all it took. There you go. Yep.
Couple to do it, and the rest will follow. So we were able to get everyone over, as you can see. Got a sea of chickens there now. We ended up moving 475 chickens to the pasture, and we started off with 507. So we lost 32. Last night we lost 15 alone to, we think, an owl. One of the heads was missing off of one of the chicks, and that's usually a sign it's an owl. Okay. So the fencing we're using is Stark line poultry netting, and it works okay. It's not as strong as we thought it would be, and the holes are a little bit bigger. So these chicks are almost 4 weeks now, and they easily can fit through the squares. So I don't know. We'll maybe try some other. I've heard really good things about Premier One fencing, so maybe we will try that eventually. But this is what we have right now.
Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you. No, this ain't what you used to. Switch up from the bikes to a new coupe. You know I keep some new shoes. Keep it simple, not like you. All night, get right. Know you know the price. Know you know the name, no games. I need all my money now. Not playing, man. This ain't what you used to. I might fly to LA. This cold weather ain't for me. Hit the bank, round your way. What you used to? And I'm grinding to the top. I can't let it slip away, so I gotta get the pay. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you. Calls keep coming in. For the win, get it in. This ain't what you used to. Swear you get on my nerves. Try hit my line, get curved. This ain't what you used to. Round, round, swerve. Everybody here knows the word. This ain't what you used to. Know you know the drill. Overpay and now I see the rail. This ain't what you used to. I get it in for my kids. Stack those chips and I get that check. Not what you used to. You see how I live, work my biz. I'm too far from the rest, not what you used to. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? to. This ain't what you used to. This ain't what you.
So we just finally finished processing the last bird of this 2022 season. Thank you so much to everybody for your support and encouraging words. It was definitely hard work, and we're glad it's done. Almost done. We still have to package, but processing, the hard part, is over. And it is 9:36.
We started at what time today?
9, I think.
What
This was our first
biggest problem
season,
was-
so definitely a learning experience.
But 2022 chicken season harvest is
Officially done.
done. We're done! High five.
High five. So it is 2 days since Christmas, and yesterday we did not get a good Christmas present. We are on vacation at Grandma and Grandpa's house in Salt Lake City, Utah right now. And yesterday, the day after Christmas, we wanted to go to IKEA because there's no IKEA where I live. And the plan was to go and pick out stuff for our house that we're building, our barn dominium. We got a call from our contractor, and I told Grant to not answer it right that second. Then we got a text that said, call us ASAP. And so we got out of the line, gave him a call, and the first thing he said was something really horrible happened, and he's at our house. And so we basically just said, okay, like just spit it out, what is it? And he basically said that our whole roof had collapsed, and thus making the whole building collapse. And I think at first we kind of just didn't really believe it. And so, I mean, obviously we made sure, asked if everybody was okay. Everybody was okay and not injured, which is a blessing in of itself. They had just gotten off of the subfloor from the second story and came down to warm up by the fire, and that's when everything came down. So we're really lucky in that sense that nobody got seriously injured. But essentially we got pictures.
I know, it sucks.
And it sucks. It's gone, and it just sucks that, you know, it was coming towards the end. We were getting ready to be closed in. You know, we were here, we were gonna pick out flooring and cabinets and all, I think, the fun stuff that you get to start picking out for building a house. And that's no longer what the plan is going to be, essentially. So we are just kind of thinking of what our options are moving forward and how it's all going to play out. So we haven't actually seen the wreckage. We've seen some pictures, and we had a neighbor go over and do some video and that kind of thing, but we haven't seen it ourselves. I mean, it looks horrible in the pictures, so I can only imagine what it's gonna look like in person. I don't think it feels as real until we see it.
So we pulled up.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure a lot of you as parents understand how we're feeling right now, because we were building a home and a place for our family to live. We moved on our homestead, up to our homestead about 2 years ago now. And this is like one of the biggest goals we had, was to build our home there. And it still doesn't feel real because we left and the house was up and, you know, almost dried in. And like Nicole said, we are at that point now where we're getting ready to do all the fun stuff, go shopping and stuff. Nicole and I have been through a lot. I know some people say that, but we've been through a lot. I've been in trial before, facing prison time. I know that's probably not so much to say, but we went through that together. We've been in the military together. We've been through deployments together. We know that everything happens for a reason, and it's hard. And, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's a big thing, and I think most people will say that to really know that it does happen for a reason and happens when it's supposed to.
Thank God this wasn't built up during summer.
Yeah.
Because we wouldn't have known this would have happened. And no one's fault right now. It's just the idea that this could have been something we didn't notice.
We could have been in it with our kids in it.
And done drywalled and everything, and this happened, so.
So as much as it sucks now.
It's a blessing it didn't happen later on.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But I think moving forward, we're just kind of in that stage of figuring out what to do next. You know, we've contacted our insurance and all of that stuff, so we're trying to figure out what that entails. We've never had to do any of this, so it's foreign land for us as far as how that process goes.
We were supposed to start this build in the beginning of summer, and we had a initial contractor, take our money, steal our money and run. And so I'm hoping karma catches him, but I mean, it's just one thing after another, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people can relate. And it just kills me because I'm the type that I want to provide for my family, you know, and I want to make sure everybody's safe. And I felt like a failure because that could have happened while we were in there. And it just sucks.
I mean, ultimately we'll get through it. We always do. You know, every struggle makes you stronger, I guess. And this will just be one more thing that we get through as a family and overcome, and
so we'll probably
be better on the other side.
Yeah.
Today. What are we gonna see today?
Well,
was the only structure that was kind of there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go. Do it again, one more time. Give her a little oomphy. It was popping.
There you go. It's going slow. You see the whole wall getting sucked up?